الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان نہایت رحم والا ہے.
But I still keep an eye and I know where they are nowadays. I know what they are doing nowadays. I know everything. But at that time, if I see, اگر میں اس وقت give up کر جاتی اور اپنے آپ کو روم میں لاک کر دیتی اور I'll go, see, one day, first week was a very hard week because I couldn't sleep. 3 nights when my sons left me. So my mother said, take a pill, sleeping pill. آپ کو نیند آ جائے گی. I said, okay. I took a pill. And you know what happened? That pill doesn't work on me. But the next day, when I went to my office, the training institute, in the class, I felt sleeping. You know, us pill ne subah kaam kiya. So during the class, I was sleeping. The students were very much upset. Why ma'am is sleeping? I mean, like, I felt very much, dizziness at that time. So again, a thought came in my mind. If I, get used to such kind of a drugs or pills, so who's going to take care of me? And who's going to take care of my mother? I said, no, Parvi, start fight again. 4 दिन नहीं सोएंगे, 5 दिन नहीं सोएंगे, 6ठे दिन तो आएगी ही नहीं और बहुत अच्छी नींद आई फिर. So I'm the one who goes early to bed and early to rise. Still now, 9 o'clock, 10:30 पे my wicket is down. 10:30 बजे सो जाती. And then in the morning, freshly wake up. 6:30, 6:45. बहुत fresh आँख खुलती है. But I fought a lot by myself, right? There are so many things. Your pain, stress, tensions, emotions, everything. Yes, I miss my kids on their birthdays. Yes, I miss my kids on Eid days. Yes. But again, then I started doing my job in the over here in the Karachi. Then I heard that my kids were in Lahore. And I am here. Though I didn't met them since last 4 years. 4 साल से मैंने उन्हें नहीं देखा. But they were here, and I'm here. So, whenever, if anybody asks me, why did you left Karachi, such a cosmopolitan city, and you are here and you're working here, right? Why this? People are going to Karachi to work over there to get or earn good money, and why you are here? I have no, I have no answer for them. I said, I like Lahore a lot. I feel fresh here. But see, आप हर एक को अपनी कहानी शेयर नहीं करते. But over here, so now I'm on the media, So I'm here and I'm sharing with you people, right? So I feel no hesitation in that to share. I said कि अगर मेरी इससे if anybody can do positive thought, why not? Or positive thing, so why not? I'm here to help them. Over here, I joined our NGO Care Foundation, and I work there as an academic manager. And thanks to this LMI, again and again, I'm telling you, again and again, it is not because I'm here and I'm standing over here and I'm doing it. It is not like it has come from my heart. Yes, this grooming, this confidence, this personality, all because of this platform which provide to by Sir Shamim. Thank you, Sir Shamim. Thank you so much. Because of this platform, the lady standing in front of you, who was couldn't speak a single word of even you can say English. She was totally a shattered lady at that time because her sons left. And that lady took my interview. So this platform, gives me a very positive thought. And then I joined this NGO, and I gave a demo of 50 girls at that time, and I gave some presentation on language and on EPL, right? 50 girls gave me a remark, excellent remark I got it at that time, as a demo. I did. This is all because of this training. This is all because of this training. जो ट्रेनिंग यहाँ ली है मैंने आज तक कहीं नहीं ली, because over here side by side you people are not getting training of this. We are also grooming. We are by conducting this workshop and this seminar, we also learn a lot, right? So now in this Care Foundation I am here since 4 years, and then after 2 years they gave me one school. Nowadays I am heading a one school, Allied School, as a principal over there. Allied. You know Allied School, yes. Punjab School, group of Punjab colleges, and Samia America School. I don't know. वहाँ पे भी जो है मैं I share a lot of things. And one more thing, I personally, as this is an Allied School and Mia America School, but again I had my own policies also over there. Which is related to Montessori method, which is all this thing.
Which campus?
Which campus? I'll give you address and then you'll bring your kids over. You barely need admission. So, but again I tell you, I learned whatever I learned from this desk, this platform, and now, still now, I'm giving them a lot. The people were taking a lot from me, but they were not giving me anything, in return. Like, they're not conducting any seminar, they're not conducting any workshops. So which is I felt lacking, you can say, which is I felt from my end, nuksan hai hamare liye, right? So my topic is, as I told, my everything. So I want to share one email of a single parent families, what effects comes on the children. So I researched and I took this emails, and I want to read just one email for you people, right? Allow me to read that, ma'am. Can I?
Yes.
Okay. First the sad one, and then some positive results also come from the single parenting. You can see. Okay. Adam. This email wrote by Adam. Hi, I am 16 and a junior in high school, and my parents broke up when I was in second grade. All I have ever known is arguing and not talking about what's bothering me. When something happens, I just keep it bottled up until I explode later on. I currently smoke weed and have done a lot of other stuff. Even though it's been years since the divorce, I know it has affected who I am today. I read that it makes you insecure or lonely and things like that. Unhappy? Well, it sounds like me. I do have friends, but I only choose ones who I really trust. I don't have millions of friends who I don't even really know. I am violent with people that I don't like. And I have problems explaining things that's on my mind. I have never known how to explain them. I don't think I ever will. And creating a close relationship with someone is also very hard. Again, I have never known how. Divorce sucks. My grandma told me that when my parents would fight, I would say it was my fault. They were fighting. I guess I still blame myself for things that have nothing to do with me. I'd like anyone else got similar stories, or am I nuts? Email me if you want. This is one email from a single parent child, and another one. Dion, I am an 18 years old girl, and it's been me and my mom my whole life, and we have been awesome on our own. And it makes me mad when I see you people that comment on this, that think single parents are such a bad thing or bad people. bad people. For example, my father was abusive, and for one, I am glad he left. Here is a question for you. Would you people rather have me and my mom stay with an abusive parent and not work it out, as you say? Or would you rather us be safe away from that kind of life? So next time you find yourself saying horrible things or bad mouthing single parents, I want you to read this and remember why some children don't have father. Oh, also my grandfather is the closest and best thing I could ever wish for as father figure, much better than no good father. Thank you very much. Plus mine and my mom's bond is so much closer than anyone could hope, for I am so close with my mom and she's been on her own for 18 years. So once again to the single parent haters, remember this comment. So these are two, one side is positive and one side is negative, right? But the 90% must be positive. So this is what I have, which I want to share with you all. I don't know how I wrap up. I just give an open end to you people. Thank you so much.
You say it's going to be real, and it's not like things we read in the storybook. It has happened to us, and we are role models for you. That it's wonderful to see, and I can agree with, because when she joined LMI, she was that lack of no confidence. She will ask a question 10 times, and then only she will be reassured. Ma'am, am I doing this right? Is it correct? Is it not? And so on. And today, mashallah, through the bitter experiences of life, she's a completely different woman. Seminar does not mean that we come here and we speak and you listen. So, I'm sure mentally you're tired listening to all of us, and you're not. Well, that's great. But related to the seminar, I will request Ms. Talat and one or two of our volunteers to distribute some souvenirs to you so that you can look at it, read it, and then I believe students of Lahore campus have prepared a skit. So we will have a skit and then move on with the rest of the program, with the rest of the talk, so it will be more effective. So Ms. Talat and
सर मैं क्या बताऊँ, एक परेशानी हो तो बताओ, कोई एक परेशानी हो तो बताओ, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा, हर जगह से मुझे परेशानियों ने घेर दिया। आज मैं अपनी बेटी के स्कूल गई थी, उन्होंने भी बताया कि इसने बिल्कुल पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्ट लेना छोड़ दिया, अच्छा खासा पढ़ रही थी और पता नहीं क्या हर सब्जेक्ट में ही मिल रहे, हर सब्जेक्ट में हर टीचर इसकी जो है वो कंप्लेन कर रही थी, इसका एटीट्यूड भी बहुत चेंज हो गया है। ऊपर से रिश्तेदारों की बातें, क्योंकि मुझे ढंग की जॉब नहीं मिल रही, मैं क्या करूं, कहाँ कहाँ देखूं, सारी परेशानियां मेरे ऊपर है। इतनी किस्मत खराब है मेरी अम्मी।
बेटे अपनी किस्मत को नहीं कोसते बेटे, हालात से समझौता करना सीखते हैं। और वैसे भी हम अकेली औरतें क्या कर सकती हैं, समझो अपने आप को संभालो।
सलाम बहन।
वालेकुम सलाम।
कैसी हो?
ठीक है, तुम्हारा क्या हाल है?
मैं ठीक, तुम कैसी हो? माशाअल्लाह, मेरी जीती रहे। और सुनाओ बहन, क्या चल रहा है आज?
बस शुक्र अल्लाह का। क्या बहन बताऊं, जब से ये घर आई है परेशानी ने तो हमारे घर का मुंह देख लिया।
बहन तुम्हारी बेटी के बारे में सुन के तो कलेजा मुंह को आता है। अल्लाह ऐसा नसीब किसी दुश्मन की बेटी का देना।
जाओ बेटी, रंग तुम चाय ले आओ।
और बहन एक बात कहूँ, बुरा तो नहीं मानोगी?
नहीं, कहो क्या बात है?
बहन अगर ये बसना चाहती ना तो बस सकती थी। अगर ये खुद अपने आप पे कंट्रोल करती, अपने आप पे थोड़ा सा सेक्रीफाइस करती तो ये बच सकती थी, ये उधर बच सकती थी। आजकल की लड़कियां ना बसना नहीं जानती हैं।
बहन कोई अपनी खुशी से तो अपने घर नहीं आता, हालात उसको मजबूर करते हैं।
शुक्रिया दीदी, इधर
लो तुम सब बातें छोड़ो, चाय पियो।
मैं चाय पी रही हूँ, तुम फिक्र ना करो। तुम मुझे ये बताओ कि अब ये क्या करेगी?
करना क्या है, बस घर में रहेगी मेरे पास, और क्या।
हाय हाय, अल्लाह इसकी किस्मत सही कर दे। और सुनाओ क्या चल रहा है आजकल?
बस खाना, बेटी को देखती हूँ, अपनी अम्मी को देखती हूँ, जॉब ढूंढ रही हूँ, कोई अच्छी जॉब मिल जाए, आप दुआ करें।
काश अल्लाह तुम्हें बेटी की बजाय बेटा दे देता तो आज ये दिन देखने को ना मिलता।
खाला ये मेरे इख्तियार में तो नहीं था ना कि बेटा होता या बेटी होती।
लेकिन बेटी तुम उधर रह सकती थी, हम तुम्हारी वजह से हमारे मोहल्ले की लड़कियों पे बड़ा बुरा असर पड़ रहा है। तुम्हारी वजह से उनको शय मिल रही है।
खाला जिस सिचुएशन से मैं गुजरी हूँ उसका मुझे अंदाजा है, मुझे पता है मैं किस मुसीबत से गुजर के आई हूँ। कोई औरत शौक से अपना घर में बिगाड़।
नहीं बहन, तुम जो भी कहो, बात दरअसल ये है कि तुम बसना चाहती ना तो बस सकती थी। एक हमारा जमाना था, हमने भी अपनी सास और खामन के कदमों में बैठ के जिंदगी गुजार दी। हालांकि अपने जमाने के मधुबाला थे हम, लेकिन फिर भी
सब बातों को चाय पियो।
चाय तो मैं पी लूंगी, तुम बताओ अब क्या करोगी, कैसे गुजारोगी सारी जिंदगी? अपनी 2.5 साल की बच्ची के साथ क्या करोगी उसके साथ?
अल्लाह सबका वारिस है, अल्लाह ताला सबकी जिंदगी गुजरवाता है। और अगर आप हमारी परेशानियों को देख नहीं सकती, हमारी परेशानी को बांट नहीं सकती, तो प्लीज आप हमें मजीद परेशान करने मत आया करें।
हाँ, एक कितनी बदजुबान लड़की है तुम्हारी, इसलिए यही बदजुबानी इसको यहाँ लेके बैठ गई है। रखो तुम अपनी
चाय तो पीने जाओ।
हम आप कहती हैं कि लोगों की बातों में ना हो। देखा आपने किस तरह लोग तरह तरह की बातें करके जाते हैं और फिर आप कहती हैं परेशान ना हो।
बेटे किस किस का मैं मुंह बंद करूँ, किस किस को मैं बातें करनी? लोगों का तो काम है बातें करना।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम आंटी।
वालेकुम।
कैसी हैं आंटी?
क्या हाल है समीश बेटा?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। हेलो इरा,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है?
ठीक हूँ।
क्या बात है आगे, परेशान लग रही है आपको? बेटे अच्छा हुआ तुम आ गई। जिस दिन से ये घर आके बैठी है तरह तरह के लोगों की बातें सुनाई। तुम इसकी अच्छी दोस्त हो, इसको कोई अच्छा मशवरा दो।
क्या हो गया इरा?
इधर आओ पिंकी, इधर आओ। नजर नहीं आता तुम्हें? ये क्या किया तुमने? तुम्हें नजर नहीं आ रहा कोई आया हुआ है? कोई
बेटा
बैठा हुआ
छोड़ो,
है?
बच्ची है वो, छोड़ो
यहाँ से, चली जाओ।
आ जाओ संभाल।
रिलैक्स रहो, क्या हो गया तुम्हें? तुम तो ऐसी नहीं थी। आमना भी बच्ची है, बच्चों का तो काम ही शरारती करना है।
शरारती करना बच्चों का काम होता है, बिल्कुल होता है, लेकिन सैरिश में बहुत परेशान हूँ। आज इसके स्कूल गई थी, तुम्हें पता है कितनी शिकायतें आई हैं इसकी? इतनी दिन ब दिन बदतमीज होती जा रही है। मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। सैरिश एक तो मोहल्ले वाली खाला भी आई थी, उल्टी सीधी पता नहीं क्या क्या बातें मुझे करती गई हैं। और ऊपर से अम्मी, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं कहाँ कहाँ देखूँ।
मीरा, माना कि आज का तुम मसाइल का शिकार हो, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम इस तरह बिहेव करो। आमना भी बच्ची है, इस तरह के चिड़चिड़ेपन से ना सिर्फ अपनी सेहत खराब करोगी बल्कि बच्ची खराब हो रही है, बच्ची पे भी बुरा असर पड़ रहा है।
क्या करूँ, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
तुम्हारी मसाइल का एक हल है मेरे पास।
वो क्या?
तुम भी मेरी तरह मॉन्टेसरी कोर्स क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन कर लेती?
वो कौन सा कोर्स?
मॉन्टेसरी कोर्स अपनी तरह का वाहिद ऐसा कोर्स है जो हमें हमारे बच्चों की बेहतर परवरिश और तरबियत के बारे में बताता है।
अच्छा, और उसमें क्या क्या है?
इस कोर्स को ज्वाइन करके तुम ना सिर्फ अपनी बच्ची की सही परवरिश कर सकती है, बल्कि खुद जब तुम बाहर निकलोगी, सेंसिबल लोगों में मिलोगी, तो मेंटली फ्रेश फील करोगी अपने आप को भी। और ना सिर्फ ये, बल्कि तुम इस कोर्स को करने के बाद किसी अच्छे स्कूल में जॉब हासिल करके फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रॉन्ग भी हो सकती हो।
बिल्कुल सैरिश, मैं भी सोच रही हूँ कि मैं इस माहौल से, इन लोगों से बाहर निकलूँ मैं, ताकि मुझे भी थोड़ा बहुत जो है वो थोड़ा मेरी भी माइंड फ्रेश हो। मैं अपनी परेशानियों को वाकई में कम करना चाहती हूँ, बल्कि इनसे मेरा तो कभी कभी दिल चाहता है मैं बस कहीं जाके छुप जाऊँ, इन सब लोगों से कहीं जाके छुप जाऊँ।
चलो बस पे डन हो गया। नेक्स्ट वीक में जो है हमारा मंथली लेक्चर है और तुम मेरे साथ चल रही हो हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट। तुम वहाँ जाके खुद हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को, टीचर्स को, वहाँ के एनवायरनमेंट को खुद ऑब्जर्व करो। आई एम श्योर कि तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा।
मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं जरूर तुम्हारे साथ चलूँ और चल के तो अटेंड करके देखूँ।
ओके देन, फिर मैं तुम्हें पिक कर लूंगी, जाते हुए तुम रेडी रहना। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज।
It's after 3 months when I'm started my course. It's okay baby, it's okay, कोई बात नहीं, ये तो और आ जाएगा. चीजें इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होती हैं, मेरा बच्चा ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है मेरे लिए. It's okay, कोई बात नहीं.
For all the students of the whole campus, and I must tell you this was done in a very short notice, that we are not exaggerating when we saying all these things. So well done. And focus on London Montessori. Give you a little insight, because it is in your institute. In fact, it was only yesterday I was signing some of the diplomas, because as you know, graduation award ceremony 2011 is also planned for today from 3 to 5. So many students from the Lahore campus will be graduating, they will be position holders. And as I was signing the diploma, you will see on your diploma, there is a photograph of Dr. Mario Montessori. And then on the other side, there is a photograph of the founder of London Montessori International, Sir Shamim. And there is a confirmation that the diploma that you hold in your hand is authentic. And then I focused and I thought for a little while that this person's photograph that is on the diploma, we the people who are working with London Montessori International, we know and understand his feeling for the Montessori system. But what about you? For you, many of you, you have not seen. Have you met the founder of LMI? Imagine. So he is almost a mystery, just like Maria Montessori. We do not know Maria Montessori. We have not met her. But of course, if you get to understand the system, you will know that Maria Montessori could be the person, your next door neighbor, or your best friend, or your sister. So too, it becomes my responsibility then, or our responsibility, the teachers, to get you to understand what London Montessori is all about. So it goes back to year 1990. I may be wrong in calling out the year, but to cut it short, Muhammad A. Shamim, he is a qualified engineer. Okay, he wanted to become an engineer. He went abroad and he did his qualification, a lot of research work, he wrote thesis, and he came back to Pakistan as a professional engineer in the glass manufacturing company. He was at that time a very successful man. He had everything anybody could want. A very loving, caring wife, a very beautiful daughter, an extremely high position in job, and a handsome salary. But Allah had other planning for him. And it was just like this, that one fine day, he decided that he doesn't want to work for anyone. And he wants to do something on his own. At that time in Karachi, to open school was a very fashionable thing. He didn't know anything about opening schools. So he went to different schools, found out. And the first, the birth of London Montessori was that a school named London Public School was opened. It was very easy to get the building. It was very easy to get lots of children. But within the short span of about 6 months, Sir Shamim realized that there were hardly any trained teachers. He had the teachers and everybody would be either inter or BA, graduate, but no Montessori trained teachers in 1990s. So then, parallel to the school, he opened a teachers training center with handful of about 6-7 students in the afternoon. One lady who came and trained, but he himself always wanted to know and study. I remember he tells us sometimes that he wanted to do the course. He tried to attend the classes, but he felt very uncomfortable, of course, sitting among ladies. And it was only for this reason, later on he planned on the 15 days workshop, which he could attend, so that he can listen to our lectures and gain his experience. And today, through the journey of the Montessori system of London Montessori, it was then known as the London School of Montessori Teachers Training, London Montessori International will be completing its 23rd year on 15th February. Alhamdulillah, there are 8 branches in Karachi, 1 in Lahore, 1 in Pindi, very soon another one to be opened in Lahore, in Islamabad and Peshawar. The branches in Karachi, they go beyond 100 students in each branch. This is a journey he single-handed himself has done, who was not a Montessorian, but now he can give us challenge that I believe from the research and studies and understanding he has of the Montessori system is even beyond us, believe me. So now he has a mission. Before it was just a job, to open a school, to earn money, to do something on his own. Then it became a passion, and now it's an obsession. And his target, his aim is that every single woman in this world should do the course. Not to become a teacher, not even to become a good mother, but just to become a good human being. And imagine, so that is like a social work, because through us, a whole generation will change. You as a Montessori mother, you will be bringing up your children in a different way. More than 70,000, these are facts and figures, more than 70,000 teachers LMI has trained, and they are working all over the world. And that's an amazing sort of figure. Year 2011, when we had the staff meeting, the annual staff meeting, and we reviewed, Alhamdulillah, with the whole entire LMI team, the students, the founders, the directors, LMI has made tremendous progress last year. And one of the major one is we are having our own website. Have you seen it? Do you know your website address? How many of you have seen our LMI's website? Imagine. Now isn't that odd? It's yours website. You are LMI student. LMI is your identity. And anything about LMI, any progress about LMI